It really allowed us to scale about 1,500% in the last year and a half, which is insane. My name is Jack Foley. I'm the Director of Strategic Initiatives for MintLeads. We are a B2B growth agency. We're Inc. 5000's fastest growing company in Georgia for 2024. And we've used Glide across our entire organization to help us scale and get there. It's become a really crucial part of our operations on the day-to-day. So when I first initially joined the company, we didn't really have the ropes on our sales team. And there wasn't a lot of preparation that went into it. There wasn't a lot of automation around there. And it was very manual. And one of the things that Tanner, the CEO, kind of instilled in kind of how we run things is make the sales system work for our sales guys, not our sales guys work for the system. So that's actually really where we started using Glide. Having a tool like Glide in our back pocket, we've really been scaling like crazy. And a big part of our success is like really focusing on sales and making that system through Glide. We've just made it super easy for our sales team to create proposals based off of like what they've actually dynamically talked about on the call. They'll literally be in the last 5 minutes of call and filling this out as they're discussing the pricing with the lead. It is basically 15 minutes per call that they would have to do either pre-call research, or after the call they'd have to like take their written notes and like put it all in, and like now it's just all just automatic. Saving that amount of time allowed us to like basically double the amount of calls we could put on our salespeople's calendars. We use AI in nearly all of our projects on Glide. We use it on our sales team. We use it to do pre-call research. We also do it to do on-call research, but having it natively within Glide really helps us be able to do some really cool features that not only on the UI side, but also functionally to help our teams out and really get things moving in a faster way. We have an entire system that we built out, and Glide is the front end with it, to where on a call, they put in the email of the lead. It'll go ahead and use Glide's API feature to actually pull all of that data of that lead from HubSpot. And from there, it'll actually do an AI summary of the lead based off of the website. And that's using Glide's native AI feature to do that. So it can cut down on the amount of time they have to do for pre-call research. It'll actually allow us to then move it in our HubSpot. It also then can kick off an entire process that automatically goes and creates proposals that end up automatically in their Gmail attached as a draft addressed to the lead. And really building out some really cool dashboards for internal teams, but then also clients. A lot of companies that are our size or even larger just don't have dashboards like we do. A lot of clients really like to be able to log in, see what's happening on their campaigns, see their leads. It generally helped with our client satisfaction because it kind of helps build that trust factor. This saved us roughly $500 a month. It just allows our team to go ahead and get these Google verifications and set up accounts really effectively. Because before, we'd have to like use a bunch of third-party services that might not work, and it was just a hassle. But now the team just comes in here, finds a number that's eligible, they just copy and paste this number, and then they wait for the Google verification code to come in.